We're here in the Daily apartment for the Sunday Night Pump Fest, and we're going to talk about a muscle group of the arms and the muscles that act on the elbow. First muscle we're going to talk about is the biceps muscle, and it has a medial and lateral head. The bicep muscle originates on the scapula and inserts into the radius bone in the forearm. Now, when the bicep concentrically contracts, it produces arm flexion at the elbow, and the elbow being a synovial hinge joint. Now, one exercise that can target the biceps muscle is a standing dumbbell curl, and you can do that by supinating your palm and concentrically contracting that biceps muscle to produce arm flexion, which is shortening of the angle, decreasing the angle between the bones of the humerus and the radius. You can train the lateral head with a hammer curl, pronating your hand and concentrically contracting the bicep. Welcome back to the Sunday Night Pump Fest here. Now, the other muscle group of the arm we're going to be talking about today is the triceps muscle, and it has three heads: a lateral head, a medial head, and a long head of the tricep. Now, the long head originates on the scapula and inserts into the ulna, and the medial and lateral heads of the tricep originate on the head of the humerus and insert into the ulna. They produce arm extension, increasing the angle between the humerus and the ulna, and when it concentrically contracts, it produces arm extension. Now, there are many ways we can train that at the Sunday Night Pump Fest. In the daily household, we usually like to do tricep dips to get that arm extension action. So if you bring your palms and you pronate them on a surface, you are going to drop your humerus till it is parallel with the floor into arm flexion, and then you're going to concentrically contract the three heads of the triceps muscle group, pushing up arm extension. You can eccentrically contract during the lowering phase, the triceps muscle, and concentrically contract to produce arm extension. Just like that in the Pump Fest. There we are. Excellent. That concludes our Sunday Night Pump Fest session of the biceps and triceps muscle of the